I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Flutter and Dart extensions for Visual Studio Code. We'll dive into their core functionalities, installation processes, and how they enhance your development workflow. Understanding these differences is crucial for optimizing your Flutter projects. We'll explore features like hot reload, debugging tools, and overall user experience to help you decide which setup best suits your needs for efficient coding. Getting started with Flutter in Visual Studio Code is incredibly simple. You just need to install the Flutter extension, which conveniently includes the Dart extension automatically. This entire process typically takes less than 1 minute. Before you begin, ensure your Flutter SDK is properly installed and its path is configured. This seamless setup allows you to jump straight into building your applications with minimal hassle. Both extensions provide powerful features that significantly boost productivity. You'll benefit from essential tools like hot reload and hot restart, which save valuable development time. The Flutter extension also offers a dedicated Flutter Doctor command, helping you quickly identify and resolve environment issues. Furthermore, robust code completion, syntax highlighting, and a rich collection of code snippets streamline your coding experience, making development smoother and faster. When it comes to debugging, Visual Studio Code offers an intuitive and efficient experience for Flutter applications. You can easily set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through your code with precision. Performance is generally excellent, even when working on larger projects with extensive code bases. The integrated terminal and seamless Git support further enhance your development workflow, providing a comprehensive environment. Both extensions are consistently updated, ensuring you always have the latest tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.